Now binary operation. Let A be a non-empty set on A. The function binary A cross A to A is called a binary operation on A. It is denoted by this star. A comma B, that is in the order pair, is also denoted by A binary with B. Also A comma B denotes the image of the element of A comma B of A cross A, that is a Cartesian product in set A under the function binary. Now A comma B or A binary with B denotes the output of the operation binary. To create a binary operation on A means to create a function on A cross A to set A. Now comes the property of the binary operation on A. Binary satisfy closure property as its function. It is commutative if and only if for all A comma B belongs to set A, that is A binary with B is equal to B binary with A. It is associative if and only if there exists a three element A, B, C which satisfy this condition. A binary with B is binary with C, which is equal to A binary with B binary C. So if for A belongs to A there exists a B belongs to A such that A binary B is equal to B binary A is equal, then B is called the inverse of A, or B is the inverse of A, then A is the inverse of B. Now we will start exercise 1.4. In that first question is determine whether or not each of the function of binary given below is a binary operation. In the event that binary is not a binary operation, gives justification for this. So here in this it is 5 sub questions from which we'll solve 1 and 3, 5, right? So question number 1 and remaining is for your homework, you can try. First is star, which is defined from Z cross Z positive to Z positive, which is given by A comma B binary. A binary with B is A minus B. So for 2 comma 3 which belongs to this set, okay, so 2 comma 3 equal to 2 binary with 3 is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, which does not belongs to Z positive. Therefore 2 comma 3 which belongs to Z Cartesian product of Z positive to Z positive does not have any image in Z plus. Therefore it is not a function, hence it is not a binary operation. Now comes question number 3. In question number 3 it is defined that the binary is from Cartesian product of R cross R to R, and it is given by that A binary with B is AB square. Okay, so if we take every element A comma B which belongs to R cross R has a unique image in R, therefore it's a binary function as it is a function. Now we'll see question number 5. Question number 5, in that it is function is defined, binary function is defined from Z plus cross to Z plus to Z, which is given by A binary with B is A. So for every element that is of the order pair A comma B which belongs to this set, okay, has an image, unique image in Z plus. So it is a function, hence it is a binary function. Now question number 2, for each operation binary defined below, determine whether binary is commutative or associative. Okay, so in this we can see there are 6 questions. We'll solve 1, 3 and 5. First is binary Z cross Z to Z, where it is defined by A minus B. So 2 binary with 3 will keep in this 2 minus 3, we get minus 1. 3 binary with 2 is again 1. So from this 2 we can see it's not a commutative. 2 binary with 3 is not equal to 3 binary with 2, hence it is not a commutative. It is not following commutative law. Next we'll check for associative. So we'll take 3 numbers which belongs to this set 2, 3 and 4. So 2 binary with 3 binary 4 which is equal to 2 binary. First we'll solve this, we get minus 1. Then we'll take this binary operation for this set and we get 2 minus of minus 1 is 3. Now we will find for 2 binary with 3, binary with 4. So for this the set is given A minus B. So 2 minus 3. From that we get minus 1. We have to take with 4. So minus 1 of minus 4 gives minus 5. Hence it is not associative. We can see that here two different values we are getting. Therefore it is not an associative. Number 3 is binary set is defined from Q cross Q to Q, which is given by order pair A comma B, A B by 2. So we'll take any two numbers, that is A comma B, which belongs to set Q, and we have to check whether it is commutative. So AB by 2 is BA by 2, so it is following commutative law. Now we'll take three numbers A, B, C, which belongs to Q. So A binary with B binary C is A binary B C by 2. Now we'll apply the property AB by 2 and we get A into BC by 2 upon 2 is ABC by 4. Now A binary with B binary C is AB by 2, binary with C is AB by 2 into C upon 2 is ABC by 4. Hence we can see that for all A, B, C which belongs to Q, it is following associative law. Now question number 5. Question number 5, the function is defined of this form where binary operation for A, B is AB, A raised to B. So we will check for commutative. We will take two numbers 2 and 3. So 2 raised to 3 will get 8. Now we will take 3 binary with 2, that is 3 raised to 2 is 9. Hence it is not following commutative law. Now we will check for associative law. 2 binary 3 binary 4. For first we will solve for this and we get 2 binary with 3 raised to 4 is 81. So we get 2 raised to 81. Now 2 binary with 3 binary 4. First we will solve this, that is 2 raised to 3 is 8. Binary with 4 is 8 raised to 4, that is 2 raised to 12. So here we get two different values, therefore this is not associative. Okay. Now we'll see question number 3. In question number 3, consider the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A binary with A minimum B is the value A comma B. And we have to write the operation table for the operator this, where A value, A is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A1 is 1, A2 is 2, A3 is 3, A4 is 4, A5 is 5. So A1, minimum value of A1 and A2 is 1, 2. We can see minimum value of this 2 is 1. So the element at the intersection of the first row and the element of the column of the operator table is 1. Similarly, we can find all the operation table and it is formed as minimum value of 1, 1 is 1, 1, 2 is 1, 1, 3 is 1, 1, 4 is 1, 1, 5 is 1. Now minimum value for 2, 1 is 1, 2, 2 is 2, 2, 3 is 2, 2, 4 is 2, 2, 5 is 2. Minimum value for 3 is 3, 1 is 1, 3, 2 is 2, 3, 3 is 3, 3, 4 is 3, 3, 5 is 3. Minimum value for 4 and order pair 1 is 1, 4, 2 is 2, 4, 3 is 3, 4, 4 is 4, 4, 5 is 4. Same way for minimum value 5, 1 is 1, 5, 2 is 2, 5, 3 is 3, 5, 4 is 4, 5, 5 is 5. So this is the operation table for getting the minimum value of order pair A comma B. Number 4. Consider the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the following multiplication table. We have to compute this 2 binary 3 and then binary with 4. And second 2 binary 3 binary 4. Is it commutative? That the binary operation is star is commutative. Then we have to compute 2 binary with 3, binary with 4, binary 5. So first we'll frame a table of the multiplication and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 1s are 1, 1. So here we have to compute the table. Here we observe that the operation table and the operation table in question number 4 are same. Okay, but in this the element at intersection of the first row and the second row of the table is 1. Similarly, we can find all the elements of the table Now first is from the operation table 2 binary with 3 binary 4, 2 binary 3, 2 binary 3 is 1, and then it is binary with 4. So 1 binary with 4 gives 1. Okay. Now next is 3 binary 4. 3 binary with 4 gives 1. And then it is binary 2 binary 1. 2 binary 1 gives 1. So from here we can see the value is from both we are getting 1. Now for 2, is it commutative? So from the operation table it is clear that the operation table is symmetric about the principal diagonal. Okay, principal diagonal it is symmetry, and hence star is commutative. Now we have to find 2 binary with 3. So 2 binary with 3 gives 1, and 4 binary with 5 gives 1. So 1 binary with 1 is 1. So for third number the answer is 1. Question number 5 is for your homework. Let's start with question number 6. In question number 6, it's a binary operation on n, and a binary b is the LCM of a and b, and we have to find 5 binary 7, 20 binary 16. Is it commutative? Is it associative? And we have to find the identity element of the binary in n. Which element of n are invertible for the operation? So here we have to solve 5 questions in it. We'll start. First, it is defined, the function is defined from n cross n to n, and a binary with b is the LCM of a and b. So 5 LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 20 binary with 16 is 80. Okay. Now for all a comma b belongs to n, a binary with b is the LCM of a and b, which is equal to the LCM of b and a, so it is b cross a, so it is commutative. Now we have to check for associative also. So for first we'll take for this, so LCM of a and b with c. So LCM of a and b and LCM of a and c, which is equal to LCM of a and LCM of b and c. So here we are getting that it is not associative. Okay. Now comes question number 4. We have to find the identity element in n. So for all a belongs to n, a binary with e is e, binary a is a. So LCM of a with e is a. So every a in belongs to n is divisible by e. So 1 is the identity element for binary in 1. Now find number. Suppose inverse of a belongs to n is b. That is inverse. Though a binary with b is equal to 1 because identity element. So that is the LCM of a and b is 1. That is a is 1 and b is 1. So the only inverse that 1 belongs to n exists, and it is 1 itself. Next question is 7. Is star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by a binary b is LCM of a and b binary operation? Justify your answer. So here it is defined, the function is defined from a cross a to a, and binary on set AB is the LCM of a and b. So we'll take two elements 2, 3. So LCM of 2, 3 is 6, which does not belongs to set A. So the 2, 3 which belongs to a cross a does not have any image in a. Therefore it is not a function, and it's not a binary operation. Number 8, 9, 10 is for your homework. Now we'll start with question number 11. A is n cross a, and a is a set of n binary with n, where function is defined in this way, and it is given as a comma b c comma d, means binary operation on these two order pair is a plus c comma b plus d. So for all a comma b c comma d which belongs to a, the binary operation is defined as a plus c comma b plus d, that is c plus a or d plus b. So it is commutative. Okay. Now we'll check for associative. We'll take 3 order pair a b c d and e f which belongs to set a. So first a b binary with c d binary e f. So first we have to apply the operation on these two, and we get a plus c comma b plus d. That is with e. So a plus c plus e, b plus d plus f, which is a plus c plus e, b plus d plus f. So we get a comma b binary with c plus e comma d plus f. That is, so it is not associative. Okay. Now we'll check for if E1 and E2, they are order pair which belongs to set A, is an identity for binary for all a comma b belongs to A, then E1 E2 cross with a comma b is AB. Okay. Now a comma b binary with E1 comma E2 is a comma b. That is a plus E1 comma b plus E2 is a comma b. So from here we get E1 is 0 and E2 is 0. That is E1 comma E2 is order pair 0 comma 0. So we'll place E1 comma E2 binary with a comma b is, here we are getting the value 0 comma 0 with a comma b, and we get a comma b. So from this we can conclude that 0 is the identity for star. Now comes question number 12. Question number 12 is, state whether the following statement are true or false. Justify for an arbitrary binary operation star on a set A binary with A is A for all A belongs to N. So it is defined that binary from order pair n cross n to n, it is defined as A binary with A is A. So for all A belongs to N, A binary with A is A, but A binary A comma B is A binary with A, that is A plus B. Okay, but it is given that A binary with A is A, that is A plus A is 2A, which is not equal to A. So the given statement is false. Now in that sub-question number 2 is given that A star commutative binary operation on N, then A binary with B binary C is equal to C binary with B binary A. So here A binary with B binary C is B binary C binary A. So here we can interchange C binary B with A is C binary B with set A,